Are you still staring at that screen? You need something to do.
You need something for your students to do.
Yeah.
You need something that's hands-on.
Hands-on learning engages both sides of the brain and leads to increased retention, creates new connections, and improves focus.
Sure, there are some great learning resources on our screens, but too much screen time can be bad.
But DGP is here to help.
Today, we're going to be teaching you how to do word puzzlers. Word puzzlers are a great hands-on activity for all ages. They reinforce skills such as listening, spelling, vocabulary, critical thinking, and even grammar.
Ooh, okay, let's get started. What do I do with these?
Okay, first we're going to take out the letters L, 2 O's, a C, an H, and an S.
H, these just like laminated letters?
Basically, yes, but you can use tiles from any popular board games.
Cool. Okay, yeah. What do I do now?
Alright, so first you're going to make a 2-letter word that means very.
So?
There you go. Now add letters to make a word that means by yourself.
Solo.
Perfect. Now substitute a consonant to make a word that means to scare or drive away.
Shoe.
Yes. Now remove a vowel and a consonant to make an interjection, meaning surprise.
Oh, a grammar term. Oh.
Now add 2 consonants to make a word that tells where a famous monster lives.
Loch Ness? Loch?
Yes.
Cool.
Now substitute a consonant for a vowel and make an antonym for warm.
Cool.
Ah, cool. Now add a consonant to make a word that means to get colder.
Cools.
Yes. Alright, now for the final challenge. Use all the letters to make a word that means a place of learning.
School.
Way to go.
Yeah.
Boom.
Okay, well, let's do another one.
Well, unfortunately, that's all the time we have right now. But, great news! You can find this word puzzler and more free word puzzlers on the DTP Publishing blog. You can even find harder ones and easier ones.
Really? Where's this blog you speak of?
Just click the link in this post.
Okay, but what if I want 100 different word puzzlers?
I think DGP Publishing can help you with that one too.
Cool, I'll check it out now.
Alright, great. Until then, hands on, screens off.